Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Tanisha, and today I will be making stewed chicken. Let's get started, guys. Alright guys, I have some nice chicken breast. It's already washed, so I'm just going to cut that in some fine little pieces. When it cut fine, the seasoning get to soak through the meat even more, and you find your meat with a nicer flavor. Alright, and this is all the seasoning that I'm going to use, everything you see there. So I'm just going to add that season my meat. And then mix that in very well. If you think it needs a little bit more seasoning, you can go ahead and add a little bit more seasoning. I add a teaspoon of everything. Then I have my one big onion. I'm going to chop that, 2 stalks of scallion. I have some garlic and some pepper. And this is just the seasoning that I will be using to season the meat. I will add more stuff later on. That's my garlic, and I like to use a lot of garlic, guys. And that's my seasoning that I chopped. Just add that in and mix and mix and mix, and don't forget to subscribe and stir and stir and stir, and there you have it, nice and seasoned. Look good, smell good. And now I'm going to just cover that up and let it marinate in the fridge. Alright guys, while this meat marinate, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, the whole works. You don't know. I got my pot with some olive oil. Then I'm going to use a fork to skin my onion and my scallion and stuff off of my chicken, and then I'm going